Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the LCD cover and screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your ThinkPad. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, locate the LCD screen assembly. You will find screws securing the screen to the hinges. Remove these screws carefully. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen from the hinges. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. Disconnect these cables carefully, ensuring you do not damage them. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Now, take your new LCD screen and connect the cables to the appropriate ports. Ensure they are securely attached. Once connected, position the screen back onto the hinges and replace the screws you previously removed. Next, we will replace the LCD cover. Align the new cover with the screen and gently press it into place. Make sure it fits snugly without forcing it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. After the cover is in place, replace the back panel of your laptop. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Now replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable and power on your laptop. Check to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover and screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with your tech needs right from your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.